morning, it's Betty Gales with eXp Real Estate. Today I want to talk to you about how I built my career. Back 30 years ago, I started in Charleston, South Carolina. I was sitting next to a very top producer in my company. Back then it was called Preston Stroman, and I was lucky enough to sit next to Everett Preston in an office, and Dinky Stroman was in the other office. So I got to model some of the top agents in Charleston early on in my career. And I also found out about Mike Ferry. There were agents from all over the country that came to this event, and he would have panelists up on stage. But on this panel was a man called Andrew Lacey, and he was, at this point, doing over 300 deals. I think he was doing 362 deals, and they were expired listings. He was the one going out on the appointments, taking the listings, negotiating the contract. Well, over the years, I have used expired listings from my teachings with Andrew. I've added email campaigns, video campaigns, studied some of the top producers and added that. And over the years, I have always had expired listings as my top source besides my database. I will share with you some of the techniques that I've used and would love to welcome you to a free webinar on October the 30th at 10 o'clock to discuss how you can do this on your own with some support of a mastermind group. We will also be talking about another area, which is my next video, which will be on luxury, breaking into the luxury market. So talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.